We're now going to learn how to append to a file. So appending begins writing from the very end. It does not erase all the content. It does not truncate the file. It simply continues from the very end of the file, continues writing, that is. So in order to do this, we're just going to open the file for appending. So we're going to make the string A as the mode. And then we just call the write method again. All right, so we're going to do it here. But before we do that, I'm just going to make a copy of this football.txt file. So there's a way to do this in Python. There's this shuttle library. It actually is like sh utilities, so shell utilities. So this is part of the standard library. It has this copy file method or copy file function. And the way you do it is you put the original file here and then the copy of it over here. That's pretty cool, just something a little extra. There's a lot of cool things in here in this sh util library that are really module that has things to manipulate your file system. So copying is one of the things you can do. Let's go ahead and do that. And we look over here, we should see, all right, there's a football2.txt. That's good. Now we're going to append to this file. So we're saying, all right, football2, let's go ahead and open you for appending. So it will start writing at the very end. And we're going to put a new team at the very end, Dallas Cowboys. And then we're just going to read in that file just to make sure that everything is like we think it would be. So here is the new one. And we can just go ahead and check. Just the football one should not have it. That one was copied. So the last one was Jacksonville Jaguars. We've now seen Dallas Cowboys is now at the end. So that's how you append to a file, make the mode of these using the string A.